Crucial.
Yo, good night. When you know it's already, you know. Yo, big up my sister in the crowd. Yo, rock folk crew. All right, sing it for me. Sing it. Bring it. But bring it. Right, I know I'm glad the castle join. Forget to tell you know what they on my mind. Forget about that text, said something there on the $1,000 line. The girl them have to know, say that my kind. Them say me lose a clash in a way you still. But me no mind, me know me had the baddest in my time. My melodies and metaphors and similes were fitting on my rhymes. Make professor not KRUUU. Kitty up for wine, watch her. Them know me had to save you for the game. So tell some dirty DJ boy stay in a them lane. Me had the king already and me not for campaign. Me even have for bother call the name. Wanna say sing it. Bring it. Ma bring it, come in it, for win it, for the crown there. Get the king it. Over Yasana. Over Nessa. And them ask who says yeah. So after last week, them get a beat. The whole of them sit down and plan up meeting. I talk about one bag of freak thing. I don't know, I don't grow so. I'm here to say, yo, big up the whole of my fans in the place in the MAGNUM, big up. Yes, the boy them fly past them nest. Start send straight like them want get quest. My rhymes them a spit and knock off them bread. Boy lost them mess as them mark them X. One make through the shoot, me talk them vex. Emancipation park them rest. Yeah, they be a race off them best. Level me say war them. Bad man now go run from them. Crucial war them. I dollar drag queen me a talk from when. War them. I leave the force of the devil upon them. Not care if the whole of them friend a gang member. Though this the clique. Entrance, this me. War me a study, nobody not tell me nothing. Dog bark and I exit, everybody have to go to. Walk in and catch them a party, the big dog bark and me alone left all of a sudden. Father did beg me from a little, say me nothing bad. Me just smile and reply, not tell me nothing that. Move. We see the whole of them a pose to corrupt each other. Trends said them have a hold me and cut up and break up and couple stop kill me, I must be mad. Me bought them up, them have a real and lucky. He's a fluxy and... Love it.
Miss Kitty. Oh wow, I gotta say crucial. Getting crucial when it mattered. I always love that crucial. The first song that got everybody from everywhere in Jamaica singing that song. Whether you're old, you're young, or in between, everybody was singing crucial. I realize that you're a chess player, so I understand that you're a strategic thinker and a critical thinker, and now I understand why you execute the way you do on stage. I loved your performance. However, though, I'm listening to the lyrics crucial, I'm gonna want to hear everything. I do realize you pull up on some of the thing them, but I need for you to complete everything. But what I like about you, though, I see the growth, I see the hunger that you have every week that you come on the stage, and I'm really happy that you've grown thus far, and I wish you all the best from strength to strength. Nuvia Chin, Lee Chin, Walla Donga Town, Fletcher's Land, big up yourself, Crucial, Mad Thing, D4, L1 down to the world. Sure, Professor Nuts.
Now when we draw for the MAGNUM, they know how we are feeling it. Announcement. Crucial. Next week won't be the clash. Next week will be normal performance. You know when I'm going to keep the clash? Week after, down by UDC, downtown, the car park downtown. That night will be the clash. You know get that? You know not see no clash next week. UDC car park, week after next, the crowning night. I bet so you have to fight for the crown. No?
Aye, thank you, Professor.
When they say one more time for that.
All right. Thank you.
Beautiful. Now dinners, girls.
Thank you.
If them be respectful, you don't know the 90s, they're coming on the
all right. Thanks, judges. No matter what the topic, Crucial displays the same lyrical prowess in each and every song. Text set on his voting number and spend more than $1,000 on him by texting the word vote to his permanent number 444-7706 or call 444-7706. Thanks, Crucial.